Hey, it's Tuesday morning, folks, and the action right now is in oil. Another 5% higher in the overnight session, trading back above $25 a barrel in WTI. And this big move on the back of Saudi Arabia coming out and announcing more production cuts. Now, however, remember, on May the 19th, we have that expiration of the June contract in oil, and we roll into the new front month. So likely to continue to see some of this volatility leading into that expiration date. But as of today, massive move to the upside, another 5+% on the news of these production cuts out of Saudi Arabia. Looking at some of the other markets, we got some green on the screen, so seeing some positivity in the U.S. markets. Had a strong session overnight in Europe. However, we had Goldman Sachs come out last night and say investors are getting a little ahead of themselves. So the S&P could see as much as a 20% pullback in the near term. So we have had some strength, had a couple days of positivity. We've actually recovered half of the loss that since that March low was hit. So could we see some future negativity? Well, we certainly have some headline risk, right? We talk about that all the time. We've got the trade spat with China. We have a continuation of COVID-related news. We've got an increase in cases. We talked yesterday about South Korea. We've actually seen some more reports come out as recent as today around more cases in Wuhan. So yeah, there's still a lot of bad news out there. Certainly could weigh in these markets. Have investors got ahead of themselves? Well, that's the question on the street right now. So be mindful of that and what that ultimately means. With that uncertainty, there's certainly headline risk, right? So look at some of the other markets. You take a look at gold trading higher today. Look at the currencies. We have weakness in the dollar today. We're seeing strength in the euro, strength in the British pound. Speaking of currencies, at Nadex this week, we launched our dollar Mexican peso contract. So you can get in there this week, start trading that contract. Rest of the week, we've got that initial jobless claim number coming out on Thursday, and tomorrow we have OPEC's monthly oil report. So big move in oil today. Beware, we got that number coming out tomorrow. Could impact that oil market once again. Hope everybody has a great trading day today. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Check in with us on Twitter and Facebook. We'll keep you updated. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.